Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a program. It's meant for high school students. Yes, so you also get $20,000 funding. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And in case you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the very first time, I want to get to know you. I'll be introducing myself as well. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting this channel. I see you guys. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your lovely comments. And yes, let me also introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube you cannot catch me live on this channel. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So, besties, have you heard of the Students Rising Above, SRA? Yes, so Students Rising Stars program is designed for high school juniors graduating in spring 2027. This initiative empowers students who face systemic barriers to define and achieve success in education, career, and life. School supplies selected students will benefit from personalized mentoring, financial support, yes, to ease the burden of higher education, college and career guidance tailored to individual goals. Like I said, you also get $20,000. The program's mission is to provide individualized support so that every student can thrive academically and professionally. Program requirements are as follows. To qualify for the Rising Stars program, applicants must meet the following requirements. Number one, you must be a current high school junior. You must enter senior year in 2026-2027. You must come from a low-income household or be living on government assistance. You must show commitment to earning a 4-year college education. You must maintain a GPA of 2.0 or higher, and you must reside within the 9-county Bay Area immigration or citizenship status does not affect eligibility. Yes, all students are welcome to apply. Education funding and resource application process. This application process is structured to ensure fairness and thorough review. As for application submission, make sure that you complete the Rising Stars program application before 4th of March. That's the deadline. Save your progress and resume it later if needed. After the deadline, applications will be reviewed by 6 groups of 3 readers. Each group carefully evaluates applications to identify potential rising stars. Invitations, applications, you'll be selected for interviews and you'll be notified in May. Finalists will actually finally meet with the Rising Stars team for a structured interview. As for final selection, the interview team will make final decisions. Students that are chosen for the program will be notified by the end of June. So if you're invited for an interview, as an applicant, you must provide proof of family income using the 2025 tax returns or other documentation. Benefits of participation is going to give you definitely life-changing opportunities, mentorship, guidance from experienced professionals who understand systemic barriers. You also get financial assistance, $20,000, support to reduce the financial challenges of pursuing higher education. Yes, college preparation. Yes, they prepare you, resources on how to navigate applications, scholarships, and admissions. You also get career guidance and exposure to career pathways and professional network opportunity. You become a part of a supportive network of peers and mentors. You also get confidentiality and privacy because SRA takes confidentiality really seriously. Application contents are reviewed only by the selection committee. Information will not be shared with outside organizations because SRA is designed as a mandatory reporter under California's Child Abuse and Neglect Reporting Act. Applicants are encouraged to read the privacy policy for full details, the key dates and timelines. Don't forget the deadline is March 4. As for interview notification, final selections is end of June. And why should you apply? Guys, the Rising Stars program is more than just a financial aid. It's a transformative journey and students gain a roadmap to higher education, emotional and academic support, access to mentors who believe in their potential, a chance to break cycles of systemic barriers, and by applying, students take the first step towards empowerment, towards an opportunity and long-term success. These and so much more. Yeah, there are so many opportunities out there for young people and even seasoned professionals, and this is one of them. If you'd like to be part of this, go ahead and find the link in my description. As always, I've done all the homework for you. I'm going to be sharing a lot of fully funded conferences on this channel, and as well as scholarships, yes, where they get to pay for your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of that program. I'm going to be sharing many more of that in my subsequent videos. And please, if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? So those of you that would like to join my Patreon community, first I want to say thank you to my current Patreon members. Thank you, and thank you for all that you do. If you would like to join my Patreon community, please go ahead and use the link in my description and join my Patreon membership today. And to all my channel members, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for supporting my creative journey. If you would like to join my channel membership, also go ahead and use the join button right next to the subscribe button and join my channel membership. You can choose any tier of your choice. That way you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things scholarships, grants, business, and all things in between. So guys, I would also like to announce to you that I'm open for business collaborations and partnerships. So for all business inquiries, send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. For product placements and mentions, go ahead and send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Now we have our sign up form. Yes, now you are free to join our email list. We are 8,000 subscribers strong on this channel. It would be nice if I have all 8,000 emails. So go ahead and join my email list. Sign up and join my email list. And guys, we also have a Telegram channel. So go ahead and join my Telegram community as well. If you have not joined, go ahead and give it a shot today. It's free of charge, and also do well to share. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and do well to turn on your notification bell. And if you're new to this channel and you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time, I would like to know you as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and on this channel I share 3 videos every week, and I'm constantly researching opportunities for you guys. If you have questions for me, you have suggestions, or you have observations, please feel free to leave it to the comments. Like I always say, this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel, so please feel free. This is a safe space for you to express yourself. There are no stupid questions here, so go ahead and express yourself. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you have any question for me, or you need me to do a kind of research for you, let me know in the comments. If you want me to look for a particular kind of scholarship for you, please let me know. Your wish is my command. You already know by now that I'm working for you guys on this channel day and night. In fact, yesterday I slept at 2 a.m. Yes, researching all of these amazing opportunities just for you guys. So make sure that you don't miss out on all these juicy details. And that is about it, guys. Till I see you in my next video, in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and good rest, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.